Hello and welcome to Whatcom Community College. My name is Ines Poblet, and this is an introduction to our online classes in the ESOL program, the English for Speakers of Other Languages program. We have a sequence of courses starting from beginner to intermediate to advanced. The courses that we offer online are the ESOL 113 class, which is an introduction to essay writing and reading and discussion, and ESOL 115, which is continued practice with essay writing and with some work using resources. So this online class, if you were to take an online class with us, would look like this. You would have some tabs on the left-hand side of our Canvas shell, which is our online platform for learning. Your instructor might include a home tab, grades, syllabus, and announcements. In this class, for example, week 0 has some online resources just to get you started and comfortable with how to study online. So you'll see some resources related to how to use Canvas. You'll also see some tips about how to work online, how to take care of your body so that you have a healthy feeling as you study, so that you're not crouched or in a position that causes pain, since you'll be spending a lot of time on your computer. And then in this case, for me, I have editing symbols that students use for my feedback. So when I give students feedback about their writing, you might see some notes about different types of editing that you could do in your writing. As you continue through the course, every week you will have an announcement from your instructor. In this case, it's me, and I will introduce the students to the tasks of the week. So in this case, it's my welcome message to new students for week 1. And you'll see a message saying welcome. I always post a video to introduce students to the tasks of that week. You can click on this link and watch that video. And you can also click on the module link. The module is the grouping of assignments, and it'll take you right to the tasks that you should complete for that week. Our online classes are asynchronous. That means that you are not required to meet online or to meet at a specific time or day. You can work on your own schedule, and then your instructor is available to talk to you. We can arrange a time to meet online if it's helpful and necessary. So in this case, let's imagine you start week 1. You have about, looks like 4 or 5 assignments to complete. A welcoming assignment where you learn about your teacher and you reply with a comment or question. Here's an example of what that would look like. You have an introduction online activity where you tell a little bit about yourself, and your classmates can see each other, your notes and your replies, so you get to know each other too. We also have a practice writing as one of the assignments that we start with. In this case, the topic is different for ESOL 113 students and 115 students. And then, of course, I provide feedback on your writing, and you would make some revisions based on my feedback. Another thing you'd complete this week would be a reading, and I've done everything so that your reading is online. You don't need to buy a book. You can use links to find the information. In this case, students would be reading in 113 about paragraphs and how paragraphs turn into essays. And so there would be some information about that, and then some task related to telling what you learned. So every week would work this way. You would have an announcement from your instructor, a preview video, and then a module. This is week 1's module. After you finish week 1, assignments are due on a certain day, then we begin week 2. And we really work through the quarter in this way as we complete different weeks' modules and different tasks. And that way, by the end of the quarter, you've really worked through all the tasks and goals of the course. So this is a great option for students who are looking for asynchronous online options for learning. I do want you to know that there's always a human being in the background. When you send a message, I will be checking those, and I would see if you have questions or if you've submitted something, and I can give you feedback. So the online class is flexible, but there's always someone a teacher waiting to support you as you're working through the modules, the weekly tasks, and the assignments related to the course. So that's a preview of our online class. You'll also always be able to check your grades here, see which assignments you've completed. You can also see what your grade looks like. You can always check the syllabus, which is class information. I provide students with my Zoom link so that we can meet online. And the Writing Center on our campus also has a Zoom link, and it's possible to meet with tutors that way online too. This is all information about the courses. And then, like I showed earlier, we have an announcements tab where students kind of get introduced to each week and the tasks that we'll do each week. So that is our online class offering. I think you'll find it is easy to follow and organized in a way where you complete tasks, finish, move on to the next. And then, of course, you'll always have help available if you have questions and as you're working on your material throughout the quarter. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you online in the future. Thank you.